Hello everyone, and welcome to Mr. B's short English lesson. Today's video is about the difference between the will future and the going to future. So here we have the time, and this is now the present. So everything right here is the future. And for the future, you can use the going to future and the will future, and this video is meant to show you what is the difference between those two. When you look at the will future, if you want to form it, you use will and the verb in the infinitive form. When you want to do it in the going to future, you have to use a form of be. Those forms are am, are, and is, then going to, and then the verb in the infinitive. This was about the form. Let's talk about when you use it. The will future is used when you talk about the future in general, so if there's nothing special about it. You use it when you talk about wishes and hopes for the future, when you make predictions about the future, but you don't have any signs that something is going to happen, then you use the will future. And when you make a spontaneous decision, we will look at some examples later. The going to future is used when you have plans or intentions for the future, and when there are signs, and you make like predictions for the future which are based on signs because you already can see that something is going to happen. Let's look at some examples for the will future. I will have an ice cream is, imagine yourself walking down the road downtown on a nice sunny day, and you make a spontaneous decision that you will have an ice cream now. So you use the will future here. And I hope she will be back soon. You express hopes for the future. That's why you use the will future. And the last one, maybe we will find the time for that later. You express a wish for the future. And that's why you use the will future here as well. When we talk about the going to future, there are also some examples here. Look at the clouds, it is going to rain soon. You have here signs that something is going to happen, and the signs here are the clouds. So you say it is going to rain soon, which is a prediction for the future. And she's going to visit us later. Here we have a plan or an intention. That's why you use the going to future. So much for the difference between the will future and the going to future. I hope I could help a little bit. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.